kemani kasaran remin lori, remin taxi, remin minibus, oni sabutu mai na matakendai. Bunada bontuindi oni bibakale di chikira nangoni sala todo ko na the vitia.
Right.
To sabayan rotu ani bikemuni and matakani ko. Good morning to you, Demesi.
Good morning to Kemuni.
Right.
Latar me babici babalang.
Yeah.
Teman lebu and also to Atunai Sakurumundu.
Alright.
Only follow from the Willie Housing who slept at 12 and wake up at 1.
Okay.
Don't worry. Nangkas kanyu.
Good morning to you and also to the student being part of the live this morning.
Alright.
Especially to the dedicate the song to the year 12
Okay.
and all the students for their annual examination. Not
Alright.
forgetting the kindi. The garden for they are looking
Preschool.
forward for the preschool for their grade. Some of them they are in the daycare.
Right.
And everybody as a surrounding, we are looking forward. Some of us we are looking forward. Hey, our in the hostel of the RKS or the QBS or the Maris,
Right.
they will coming soon to the village.
Right,
Yes, I miss
right.
my grandson. I miss my granddaughter.
The ACS and the BMS.
Yeah.
Right.
And they will be coming. We are prepared enough to come and see them. Thank you very much for your love, Grandma.
Andra be Simon Mbanu be tuning all the way from the Kidney Center in Nandera.
Don't worry. Usama kasi untam sigo pakasama takas sigo kaya pakain to na mate metobi tamayaw.
Sali. Usini biya mati kere.
Siya nga na
Ko me mate metobi ko me mate budi.
aray me bango ono nakaloko na mataka
Iya.
kina ono nakaloko na kabi.
Iya daba.
Ese sartunga ko sartunga me batungo.
Iya normal tu.
Ngono nga meli ono kan kina nakaloko na kabi.
Mange mai.
Iyo. Siya nga.
Oi.
Baka meli nonito baka mengon lilay.
Oh, okay.
Asino ni kan nakakana.
Right.
Sa suta ba.
Okay.
Kakele me takabuak. Nakanga takabuak ndo ngon lilay me takabuak.
Right. Oh, senga indo ngarabi ko yani.
O de me ben karabi.
Aha.
Ha?
O de me ben karabi.
Me bagari indo.
Kung na me nataro ng matani ko.
Alright.
Okay, na bingarabi.
Okay, ke sabang karain to me ben karabi me tangan me semelio.
Batangan ni. Matay ko bimbi.
Siya nga ukere mate gurun duto kita kabi atu.
Yo ko nada ba na
Senga,
ngono no bulan na kenang balabu na kake indo tunga.
Eba ko normal sa bago.
Normal tunga.
Ona nga nakalo kada kabi me na ona nakalo na mataglilay.
Right.
Ko e buki mengone na noni na kakena na kabra lengasi.
Iyo.
Endolo tuda kendambe.
E biso mendanga no depa.
Ko na kanga ta kabona ngone ta kabua.
Oh, right. Do bangarami
Yo,
indo.
because I want to know
Iya.
who will be doing the servicing.
John Kumar.
Jor Kumar me metali bomai.
Ni bakani bona sevuni.
Iya.
Ni bakani na sevuni.
Iyo.
Iyo natu na kemuni na.
Kanga ta kabona ngone ta kabua.
Right. Don't worry nakasaranga.
Ona nakalo mataglilay sa tingum me sa normal tal do.
Normal.
Ona nga nakalo kada kabi me ta ona mataglilay.
Iya.
Ngone serang engasi na bos bango bos na ngone.
Iya.
Yo ko me na
Kaya
kero
bale ya tu ni ko na pick up tagi mai. Kaya kem ni rona kele ni lolo.
Kebe.
Ni ko sana papa chiko ya sana.
Nangona ta kina LC me
Siya
na
na.
itumba.
Iya, iya.
Ona kalo misal subi bale bata de sindo na bingara bua. Abon ben. Iyo.
I want doing the breakfast show.
Huh?
I want doing the bakada bisinga.
No, because
Sana sa ona kalo matlay sa normal.
Sa normal.
Yeah, I'll come after 6.
No,
Iyo.
atu na gay no na ita me nangali piktik.
Ko saranga.
The only reason I want to ask this question, who will be
Andre mabini.
Obineng ko na daw. Ang daw damit na na transport.
Okay, what on tital no ko na black sense ya ba.
Right.
Okay, bilaksan ko ramat sere. Okay, this is a story. You know, everybody, we have our own plan.
Okay.
Up in the sky,
Right.
they have their own plan.
Okay.
Different color,
Here, one people.
different people. Lucky Dube. Different organization.
All right.
Whether you rich
Iya.
or poor,
Right.
whether you black
Right.
or white,
Right.
whether you strong
Right.
or weak,
Right.
we have our own definition of marriage.
Okay.
Hoy.
Yeah.
Huh? Atu ko
Own
na
definition. Iyan, kan kalau natin na marriage. Aburo-buro ko Mikael, aburo-buro Bawati.
Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
There is a man
Right.
Who's a girl?
who sa gelgo rin merto wala na gusing-gusi. So this man
Iya, totoo tiko.
is a very black. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's a
Black man, itu kan black man,
He's a black man.
Right.
He's a black man, and he married to white girl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kemarin?
Siya in Fiji.
Oh, okay.
In Fiji. So
Fair girl.
this bright white girl
Right.
was so shy.
Oi.
Yeah.
Telepon.
So when he got the two son,
Right.
and the two son, you know, some of the questions that the children made
Yeah, right.
is very applicable. Exactly. Applicable na taro kila.
Oh, okay, okay,
Sa
okay.
kila tunga na kenra isawe.
Yeah, right.
So the older and the younger was there in the house.
Very
Mama
hard
in
to
the
answer.
kitchen.
May.
Mama was in the kitchen using the washing soap.
Right.
Sabay ato ko kwa.
Yeah.
So daddy
Right.
was under the house.
Yeah.
Tiko mo tali bali.
Anda talong.
Under the long may barong. He was doing the chopping.
Okay.
Chopping and want to relax. Mo tali bali may relax takan ito ng bioloy.
Right.
Yeah.
So these two was talking to each other. And one question coming up from the younger one.
The brother.
The brother, that's a small one.
Right.
Hey,
Huh.
us only two.
Yeah.
Who's the third one?
I don't know. We are two, and I want to ask a question.
Right.
Mama is white.
Right.
Yeah.
Daddy is black.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
black.
Yeah.
Me black.
Yeah.
Why kind of us like mama
Right.
white?
Mama.
Both of us black.
Yeah, both us are black. Like
Yeah.
No, itu tata.
Like daddy.
yeah, turang balon tata. So
Yeah.
I want to ask a question.
Right.
Why? Sebab tu ngayon narubi tertarung sa liwangan.
Yeah.
Coming up for the answer from the first one. Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Because you know why we are black?
Yeah.
Because us we were made from the charcoal. Kendar kumbul mena kubuni soso.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Itu.
We are burning from the soil.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's why we are black. Gay biata roko yang kasi. And why?
Yeah.
Mama
And mommy?
Mommy
Yeah.
too is a human being.
Right.
Yeah.
They were
You know what?
buried in the.
But she's white.
Yes, she's white. Kena boleh kita mena kubuni soso.
How come?
Yeah.
How come Mama white?
Yeah.
Simberanongon, yeah.
Yeah.
Because Mama was busy raised up by the sending. Balaton
Masa pa nila katakan? Sampai di bola kan di pusat.
Balatona,
Saya sikap. Pasawa. Apa lang sa cukup cincin belum mau.
bari bangako kan balaton ne bola bola balaton kan buli mena nuku mula. Out there of mataka
Because Mama Reza bergawat.
in the black scene. Boleh pun just then which Monday to the student enrollment examination. Thank you.
Dalam masa saya. Aku resign.
Dollar day was 7:49, 11:73. Dollar day volunteer. Thank you very much. It's 7:43. Please wake up call.
Ako, sadrek ta ko na.
Ang sama sama takana sen, saya may bukay ke.
Mana cakap di Heritaria. 7C.
Oh, boleh bilang 17, boleh bilang Sani. Bisa.
Amini si Ratu Lolo sabe kau boleh benaka mutuan rabinaka na buni sale lebu. Kalau benaka tingo na buni karabita beni sigini ko. Mel na dele kala mo tingo nende. O bille se nia batala kina be kethita ko. Pare ni na tena buni ben karabi na rosa bulu kawalu ka vika place.
Vika, men.
Maya Maro.
Leo kabika.
Lo
Lo
kabika
kabika.
stiko.
Iya.
Boleh kabika sartungango. You know this is we are the month of the kabika.
Iya.
It's a very
Andrew.
Kila.
Tamay Sai Jackson. Wawa start job tungo may Yenora may New South Wales.
Oh.
Next litian rakum bulu benaka Hazel ngonovo nasan rekechi bono ni benaka namalak.
Iya.
Na mataka di ko. Leo Dios sa kama ni an benaka bena wale saran na hindi kita katong main na Aspalangi show. May tokani ni bolo mata ni video from Facebook page. Na mataka ni ko.
Wani ni binaka na ito kani.